Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna take you on a night point of view drive with this car, the new KGM Taurus Hybrid. You can see the aggressive styling of the car. I mean, just look at this front grille with those elements nicely incorporated into this front, and also the lovely LEDs. The car measures 4,705 millimeters. The model in our video sits on the 20-inch wheels in gloss black. As you can see, speaking about wheels, 17, 18 or 20-inch ones are available. I mean, just look at this. Very robust styling of the car. I also love this pronounced C-pillar. And then we move on to the rear, where you can notice the distinctive lighting signature for those taillights. You have the pronounced Taurus lettering in the middle on this design element. I say design element because this is not a spare wheel, obviously, but it looks like that from, various angles. So therefore gives it a cool look, in my opinion. Now, what's also cool is this. This is how you open the tailgate. Standard opening, but very cool detail to have this as a way to open it. Also, you can do it by just holding this button on the key. Huge amount of room here, from 702 liters up to 1,662 liters. So loads of space, and here you can put some tools. You also have this cover, so we will actually put it now. There we go. Press this to close the tailgate, and now we are ready to start our drive. I want to hear your thoughts on the exterior design. And now, from inside, with the dual screen layout, lovely ambient lights. So, without further ado, let's see it from driver's perspective. Here is your view as a driver. Let's immediately press the start button. Car comes to life, and we are ready to go. Put on my seatbelt and put the car into drive. So this is the modern gear selector of the dedicated hybrid transmission. So we are ready, let's go. Model in the video is the hybrid. It's got the Dualtech hybrid powertrain that combines the 1.5 liter turbocharged petrol engine and two electric motors. Combined system output is 204 horsepower and 300 newton meters of torque. The system itself also has the 1.83 kilowatt hour battery, and the result is very smooth drive. We have already mentioned dedicated hybrid transmission that actually combines 9 drive modes, hybrid drive modes. So you will just relax, and the system itself will do its thing. And yeah, in this video I will show you just how nice and smooth the drive is with this hybrid powertrain. Top speed is 180 kilometers per hour, and next to this hybrid, the KGM Taurus is also available with the petrol engine or with electric powertrain. So those are the options, but the focus of today's video is this hybrid. The car has got the front wheel drive layout, and soon we will depart this pretty big garage and go on a nice relaxed night drive around my hometown of Zagreb in Croatia. You have the energy flow view here. Okay, we can go. The layout here in front of us is very modern. You can notice the digital cockpit. It is the 12.3-inch screen. You can change the views by pressing the button here. And we also have the map view with the lovely 3D view of the buildings. That's quite cool. And when you change the driving modes, you also have a bit of a different layout of the dials, so we can actually do that right now. So sport, you see a bit different, and also eco. There we go. And now with the map view, not sure how much the camera is catching it, but we have the lovely 3D view of the buildings. TomTom navigation. And you can notice the ambient lights. Overall, the dashboard itself is so nice, and especially with those ambient lights. So I will now show you also the different colors that are available. So you go to vehicle settings, and here light, interior lighting, and now we can choose between various options. Look at this: signal red, violet, auto, user colors. Here bunch of options. Look at this: blue tank, ultramarine, royal blue. Quite nice, and the pattern is so nice. So yeah, if you follow me regularly, you will know that I really adore the ambient lights in the cars. So I will keep it like this. I will put the blue one. I think it suits the car. Let me also show you the AC controls. So you have this dedicated screen for the AC controls. You can adjust the air blower and the temperature, also heating and actually cooling off the seat here, heating, and also at the rear heating available. So you can adjust it here on this trim, of course. So it is on touch, but it's pretty easy to use it. So yeah, I think it's okay. And also you may notice that here you have the split screen, and then one of the options can be the AC. So that's pretty cool. And this is not so cool. This is the pretty annoying beeping sound for the speed warning, and it's mandatory by law, the beeping. But yeah, luckily you can deactivate it very easy. So just press this, and that's it. So now we've deactivated this annoying sound. Pedals here behind the steering wheel are here for the recuperation of energy, so you can adjust it. For example, now we don't have the recuperation, so I release the throttle and the car is not slowing down, but then you have 1, 2 and 3, so you see now it is slowing down. I'm not touching the brake. So you have also options here to play with the recuperation on those pedals behind the steering wheel, which by the way feels very nice in hand, this 4-spoke one with the physical buttons, which is always nice to see. And also let me show you this. If we go to general settings, display, you can also change the background image. That's also quite cool. Of course, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto available, as well as bunch of driver assistance safety systems. And then you can configure them out within the menu of the infotainment system. Speaking about it, you can watch my full review during the day to see more details on the infotainment system itself. And I want to hear your thoughts. How do you like the layout here? How do you like the drive and this hybrid powertrain? Write me in your comments. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do subscribe to the channel in order to see more videos like this with this car, but also with other cars as well. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one. Bye bye.